Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm going to present my live practice. That this is the first practice. One and the practice consists of going from a digital button, and with that digital button, press if cyclical LED will turn off at the time of letting in press. The button will be left depend. This will be the next practice 2 that we present a physical button will turn on a digital LED, and when we stop pressing the physical button, the digital LED will stop turning on. In this practice, that is the three we are going to have a physical potentiometer, and in that physical potentiometer we are going to control the value of the voltage of the potentiometer that will be in the value interface at the time of rising is a square will be raised in the that and that time of lower it if it will go down will in the square that is now what value your potentiometer has is if you don't know how much you are putting at the time of moving the potentiometer. That practice is of the LED that flashes several times. It is very simple and will every mechanism is used that turns on off for a seconds each time it does the certain time. Practice 5, that is a physical photo cell. That is time of putting the light or shadow will be reflected in the square type that is there in the lab view. At the time of putting shadow, the entry value of the photocell will be lower, and at the moment inputting light, the value of the cell will be increased. This will be the 55th practice 5. Thanks. Hello, this is practice 6. Sixth is a servo motor that time of controlling the motor or servo in the label that there is a control wheel moving the servo motor in different positions. And that label controlled is 500, which is 0 degrees, and 2500 is 180 degrees. Hello, this is practice 7 that is going to be of a ultrasonic that is going to detect things, and the moment it detects things like a hand, a ruler, or something like that will have its different distance that will be in centimeters. There is a in labio that the ultrasonic will detect a distance from 0 to 100, but it can detect more. And this was the practice 7. Thanks you very much. Hello, good afternoon. This is practice, and this is about two buttons that is one physical and one digital, and the LED that is one physical or one digital at the time of processing in physical for a digital button will always turn on the two legs that is a physical with digital, and here it goes as a demonstration of how it should be. Good afternoon, this is practice 9 that there were traffic lights. One is going to be a red and the other in green, but the moment the one in green is blinking and turns orange, use the moment it turns red. The other that was in red is going to be in green, and that's what it will be, and by vice versa. The time is to say the practice 9 that today I'm going to have you demonstration of how it's going to be, and that you thanks you very much. This practice we will have to control an L, L, LMI, LMI 35 with the three LEDs that will indicate the temperature of each one and the time of giving the LMI 35, and this will be the exercise. And right now I will show you how it is done. In this practice, you will need an LMI 35 and the servo motor that at the time of giving it to the LMI 35, 35, there will be a turn on 180 degrees in the servo motor that we are going to show. You know, but for him to make those turn, you need some operations within the block diagram, and those block diagram must be because in the lab view with that will be all of this practice, and we finish. Thank you very much.